Hey guys, so if you guys really want to cook an Ubu cat, it's easy. Well, this is a better version. So, here you go, let's get the Ubu cat. Oh look, it's foreign vegan to its beautiful size. Who's ready to see its disgusting form? Raise his hand. Me. Anyways, so, wait for it to form. I need to make the Ubu cat. Okay, just pretend I'm not making it. So this is the Ubu cat. It is acting stupid because I can see its hairline. To be honest, so the reason why you need to see it, you can see its hairline, so it's nasty as hell. So anyways, I'll grab it, make it pink. I don't know who the but I'm making my pink eyes. So guess what? The pink Ubu cat is more delicious. It's not my fault. I picked the big Ubu cat because the big Ubu cat is so yummy, good, and if you eat it, you get the delicious flavor, but you don't have to eat the crazy that Ubu cat. Recommend it. And yes, its height is 8 because its limit is a dumb, and I hate it. So his see, look at it. It looks so disgusting. But if you eat it, it's gone. But it turns into a good turkey dinner for gacha. If you guys have never had this, yeah, the best turkey dinner is a gacha heater. A gacha Ubu cat. You think I'm weird, right? Because I like Gacha Life. It's good. I like Gacha Life. Anyway, so grab a knife. I got a knife. It's just something to cut off it. You know, killing an Ubu cat might be good because, well, yeah, killing Ubu cats is something that we all needed to do. So first you gotta go buy the Ubu cat. I bought an Ubu cat. You can find them in the wild every day within Bible. Oh yes, and yes, guys, next video I'll teach you how to eat. I'll teach you how to buy a bad boy and eat it. And plus, you can cook a small brat. Yeah, everything is good. So an Ubu cat is easy to cook. Very easy indeed. If you cook it in like 2 seconds, yeah. Plus, if you're 5-year-olds and you don't want an Ubu cat, I guess when you want to cook one, you can't. So, okay. Let's get prop biddies. There you go, a table. I guess so it's gonna be a little bigger. Okay, so first of all, let's get a table. So I got a table. So now put the Ubu cat right here. So right now it's saying Ubu, it is annoying. So Ubu cat. Anyways, so to get rid of it, you have to kill it. Easy to kill it, right? Easy. You just have to kick it, stomach, and its guts out. Yeah. There you go. It's dead. So, first let's cut off its hair. So, you cut off all of its Ubu cat's hair. So guess what? You won't hit its hair. It looks so good already. I just can't wait to eat it. Anyways, so and then of course it's now of course we're gonna take off. And now guess what? We're gonna cut that. Does it? Yeah, you think I'm gonna take off its outfit? No. So I got some bag outfits for it. So guess what? So make sure it's not naked, because if it's naked, it comes back to life. See, look how nasty it looks. Oh, yeah, its tail. Would have to chop it off. But first, let me finish bagging it up. Look, that's already bagged. Now, cut its tail. Cut its tail. There. Now that's all good to deal with. Now, next, you have to take. Now it's cut off its tail. Cuts off tail. See? Look how good it looks. Now it's put in the oven to 60 degrees for 1,000 degrees. Makes it 1,000 degrees. Takes out Uwu Cat. Oh, it looks so good right now, guys. You want it? Ooh, look how good it's. Oh, it smells so good. It's the best soap bara. An Uwu Cat's dead body. It's easy to cook it. Now guess that the Uwu Cat is burnt. See how gross it looks? Now, if it's burnt, you quickly take off the burnt stuff. That looks racist. It looks burnt. There you go, it Uwu Cat. Guess what? It's really easy to eat too. It's really good, guys. You should try it. And yes, guys, try out the Uwu Cat. It's like $0 to buy an Uwu Cat fresh. And guess what? It's dead. So guess what? You can even get a dead Uwu Cat, like kill it, then make it a decor. But I eat my Uwu Cats, cause duh. I'm gonna try out the green flavor. First, let's eat it. Yum yum yum. Hey guys, let me put on some music because it's quiet. But yes, cooking an Uwu Cat isn't the whole ingredient we all need. We need the ingredient of a sandwich. Now, you think I'm crazy, right? You must be like, Emma, why are you eating them? You should just reform them. No, always reform the Uwu Cats. They can always go back to Uwu Cats after you threaten them. So the best way is to eat them. Pacify her. Now, look how delicious this is.
We got new ways to reach them. New ways to make that cheddar, bacon, cabbage. Get started today with DoorDash, the top platform with the most opportunities and the best tools to help you reach your goals. Sign up at DoorDash.com/goals.
You can carry out 3-topping pizzas for just $7.99 when you order Domino's online. Whether it's hand tossed, crunchy thin crust,
so good. Love it. It's a good flavor. I made it the best flavor ever. Can we look at the flavor? Oh yes. And we made the girl version. It's a special guest. Her name's she is a girl version of Looney. So, be nice to it. So this is the girl version of Looney's guys. Don't worry, it's that girl. So, hello ma'am. What would you help you with today? Can you help me cook a spoiled brat, please? Oh, a spoiled brat. Oh, that's so easy to cook. Do you want to learn how to cook a Uwu Cat? I made a video about it. Yeah, please. So, let's get the spoiled brat. Let's buy one. spoil brat's a little bigger. So cook it when it's a little big. Okay. Watch. It looks delicious, right? Yeah. So, you walk up to it. Do you have your knife? I have a knife. Why do you have a knife? Because that's how you cook it. That's how you cook it? So, you see this spoil brat. No one actually tries to cook it, but I will try to cook it. So, throw a chair at it. It's not dead. They forgot to kill it. They thought that, you could use it as a decoration. Do you think it's going to be a good snack? It's an easy snack, and guess what? You can impress your brother. I would like to play my brother. Do you have your snack? Do you have your knife? So grab a knife. Don't worry, this knife is safe. Anyways, stab it. Stab it. Yep, stab it. Stabbing's bad, but just stab the cooked food.
I thought we weren't ready to afford a house.
Don't worry, we'll scrape out his
Realtor.com
life
was
later.
life-changing. I
we're
had
not
no
gonna
idea
scrape out.
that your mortgage could be less than your rent.
Realtor.com helps us calculate all of the costs, and guess what? We are homeowners.
Yes, let's go!
The reason why we're cooking it is because it looks gross. So let's chop off its hair. Do you want its crown? I'm gonna keep its crown. And plus, I'm gonna keep its crown. Okay, so I spray painted it real quick. Why did you take her crown? It's sprayed her crown. So now I get her crown. Do you like it? It's called the Spoil Brat Cooker. So I took her crown. Now let's make her clothes off. You need to bag it up. Bag it all up so it can be a delicious meal. What are you doing? Cooking it. So now it's all cooked. We did it. We did it. Oh, the Seabus. We did it. Now I guess we got a fresh cook. Look at it. It looks so delicious. Wow. It looks so good. Why are you making the best emu cats? It's so easy to kill them. They're not
How
even
to
trying
know what
get
you're
away.
getting old.
Please, let me buy my Spoil Brat. I want to be a new cat for the rest of my life. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I know it is. Anyways, killing an emu cat's easy. Telling ya, emu cats are amazing. Okay, so you guys, all the Gotcha community will come to my cooking show. I just made a cooking show, so everyone would come. Okay, so easy to right, easy to cook it. Now it's time to eat it. Eat it? You want to have a first bite? Yep. Right. It looks so good. It does? It smells good. Do you want me to cut it for you? Or are you good? I'm good. You want to eat? Oh, it's dead, so it can't move. Okay. What? Eat it all, guys. best. Yep, that's called the cooking show. Oh my god, I just need to learn how to make it now. Thank you so much, ma'am. You're so thankful. Yes, sir. Oh my god, I would make everyone find out. Wait a minute. What? Do you want me to bring? How about this? If I bring everyone, do you teach everyone how to make what is it called? A bad boy? Okay, it's okay. Hi everyone. So we decided to change some plans and not make a good short video. Now guess what? We're gonna learn how to cook a bad boy. Today's gonna be a Feast and Gotcha Club. Ooh, feast. No, I got the crown. You guys saw the video. Anyways, so first you grab your my knife. Let's buy a bad boy. It's gonna be chopped up. What's so excited? What are you so excited for? Oh my god, we get to cook a bad boy? Of course. Why are we not cooking it? So, first of all, we're cooking. So guess what, everyone? So guess what? We got a girl. Because we decided to buy a girl, right? Yep, I decided to build. We wanted to cook a girl today. No, not cooking a girl. We're cooking a boy.
Breathe in.
Why?
Wonder, is this helping?
So its hair is already chopped off halfway. So now let's make it.
Much worse. Vaping nicotine can actually
It's
increase
standing.
feelings of stress and anxiety.
Yes. Bad boy. It's a good snack to have for him. He has the most good. So chop. Chopping. Chop. Chops bad boy. So I cut off his wings. And guess what? Do you want some wings? Yeah! So here's the wings. Wow, you just cut off his wings and made him good wings. Yep, now guess what? What? You're now the extra cooler person. Yay! And guess what? I get some wings too. Wow, this is so amazing. I know, right? You get to cook up the food. Cooking is really fun to do. So now guess what? He's dead. So now ready to eat. Yum. He's done. Thank you guys so much for watching. And bye guys. And thank you so much for watching. And that little person over there, she gets to witness how to kill a bad boy and eat them all up. If you guys find them in the layout, like I found 20 of them for 20 million of them. I ate them all. Yum. I guess you'll find a few too. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Ooh, woo, cat. And here's the food. It's super good. So guess what? Here's what the Ubu cat is the cupcake. And yeah, the food. You guys can get it for $2.99. Just joking, guys. But